Hi guys, thank you so much for coming to my second premiere. Alam niyo guys, wala nang marinig at makilala ko yung 5 p.m. online jam. Medyo nahiya na akong umawit kasi sobrang galing talaga nila. Grabe, idol na idol. But this is also my passion. Sana mag-enjoy din kayo. Thank you so much. This is a classic song, a standard jazz. Yesterday I heard the rain whisper your name, asking where you're gone. It falls softly from the clouds on the silent clouds as I wander on. Out of doorways, dark umbrellas came to pursue me. Faceless people, as they pass, were looking gloomy. No one knew me. Esta tarde del llover, vi gente correr y no estabas tú. El otoño vi llegar al mar hoy cantar y no estabas tú. Yo no sé cuánto me quieres, si tú me extrañas o me engañas, pero yo solo sé que vi llover, vi gente correr y no estabas tú. Can I have this dance? Kanya masarap sayawin sa, sa Kasunay. Napakaganda talaga ng jazz. I love jazz. Yesterday, I saw a city full of shadows without meaning. And I heard a steady rain whispering your name, whispering your name. Thank you so much. Thank you. Sana nagustuhan niyo yung classic na awitin ko. Gusto kong umawit ko ng isa para mas okay. Ipili lang po muna ako kasi hindi ko pa alam kung ano yung isusunod ko. So, sana kung magkaroon man po ng parang advert, pasensyahan nyo na po. Kasi medyo, nagkaroon naman pag sa YouTube tayo kumuha ng awitin, nag-a-advert pa. Okay? Alright. Ito na po. Baka may advert pasensya na. Sunday morning, dumalong sa aking premiere. Thank you so much at pinahiram nyo ako na inyong mga time sa premiere na to. Salamat po. May last 2 channel tayo, 200 Gcash each. Thank you so much, guys. Bye-bye.